This is just a quick little video to show you what to do with a vanilla pod. If you're using a recipe that incorporates vanilla seeds or the contents of a vanilla pod, maybe for ice cream or a panna cotta or a custard, any dessert that calls for a vanilla pod and that terrifies you because you have no idea what to do with it, and they're expensive, so you don't want to waste them, and you get your vanilla pod at the store and you're like, I have no idea what to do with that, this video is going to show you how. So here is our vanilla pod, and what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to massage it a bit. And then I'm going to take my knife, I'm actually going to cut off the tip and the other tip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife, I hope you can see this, and I'm going to, let me do it this way, with the point of my knife, I'm going to cut this in half. Now you want to go slowly so that you can be accurate, because you do want to split it right down the middle to get the most seeds you can out of there. So I've just cut it right in half down the middle. Taking off the two, just the tips, will help you to do that. So that's that. And now I'm going to get these pieces out of the way, because now what you're going to do is you're going to use your knife and you're going to, you'll see on the inside that there's the hard pod, and then all of those little seeds are inside. So you want to stand it on its back and with the knife press down so it opens the pod up. And as you do that, then hold it with one end and then you're going to scrape with the knife. And that kind of paste is actually all your little vanilla seeds. So again, push the knife down, but don't cut. Have it like at an angle like this so you're not cutting, and then just push the knife along so you're scraping the contents of the pod out. And then turn it round. You can now hold that with your fingers because you've got all the pods out. Hold your knife at an angle and just scrape along a couple of times, and that all clumped together, those are all your precious vanilla little beans, little seeds. Now I'm just going to make sure I've got everything out of there, and then I've got the next one. I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to start in the middle, push down with the knife, and at an angle scrape along so you're not cutting down, you're putting pressure down and then scraping along the bean to get all of those seeds out. Turn it round, you can hold it with your fingers at that point. Scrape the insides out. Make sure it's all out. And then this, all of these little seeds, do this very carefully if you do that. That little pile is what you want to use to put in your recipe. So that is the contents of one vanilla pod, vanilla bean, and you're now going to add that in your recipe as directed. So you're going to, if you're making ice cream, you're going to add that to the cream and let that cook in there so that all the vanilla oils, that delicious vanilla flavor, can come out into the cream. Similarly for a panna cotta. So that's how you remove the seeds, the magical vanilla, out of your vanilla pod. So I hope that was useful. It's super simple when you know how. It's super easy when you know how. Just take your time, go carefully, but hopefully that has unraveled the mystery of what to do with that really weird looking vanilla pod and how to get all the delicious vanilla contents out. So vanilla beans are now within your reach. Enjoy!